back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
I tell you, baby, Lord Jesus, I love the American All-Star Series, and I love the great late models, and we're going to feel the power as Zach Side's going to make his way through the middle of 3 and 4. Skylar Marlar back to the outside. Here we go. We're underway. Sides and Marlar are going to lead him to the field as you got the number 10 machine of Nicholas Boyd as he'll be making his way through the bottom of turn 3 and 4, side by side, door to door. Boyd looking to the inside of Skylar Marlar for that second spot. Billy Cardwell and Luke Chowning going to be throughout the field as Chowning's going to wash up in that battle for that final trainer spot as here comes Daniel Dial as here comes a 257. He's going to look back to the inside of Mr. Nicholas Bird for that second spot. Good battle so far. Things are starting to span out as Zach Side's going to continue to pull away. Last lap time of the 14.065 as he will work his way back to the front, and he will stay out there as he's going to make his way through turn 1 and 2 up to the outside. You will have the number 10 of Nicholas Bird. It'll go to Skylar Marlar, Bailey Coffer, Hardwell, and it'll go to Daniel Dial, going to be the top 5. Single file nose to tail throughout the speedway. We are at halfway to go this time by. Sides continue to dominate, running 14.286 is out in front. Nicholas Bird's 14.526 is. Skylar Marlar in the third spot will go to Mr. Bailey Cardwell. That'll be your top 4 going into this one. And your final trainer spot will go to Daniel Dial. Everybody else will make it to the field. As the field continues to make their way around, Zach Sides continues to dominate the O'Reilly Auto Parts race number 1, and he is still up on the outside with a 14.286, still pulling away from Nicholas Bird, that number 10 machine, as Bird kind of washed off of turn number 2 there. Here comes Skylar Marlar. Marlar's got a good run out the middle of 3 and 4 as we continue on. Skylar Marlar looking his way as checkered flag is going to wave here for the number 9. It's going to be Mr. Zach Sides. Nicholas Bird, Skylar Marlar, and Bailey Cardwell and Daniel Dial will be your field. Sorry about the confusion, everybody, but checker flag has waved. Zach Sides will be your winner. Nicholas Bird will be for second. He'll go to Skylar Marlar, Bailey Cardwell for fourth, and Daniel Dial will make your top 5 here for O'Reilly Auto Parts Heat Race number 1. Well, you see that wonderful yellow spoiler. That's on Tyler Arrington's spoiler. That means he is your current PPM Racing Products point leader. To the outside, Ross White unveiling a beautiful brand new number 0 machine. The last time I seen him, he was in a frost white looking 0. Josh Dietz right there, and you will have Jordan Wesley up on the outside of this as your top 4 as we're back underway here for the American All-Star Series Outside Groove Heat Race number 2. Yellow flag on the speedway, yellow flag on the speedway. Once again, outside groove heat race number 2 with Tyler Arrington and Ross White going to be on the outside of this one here, ladies and gentlemen. We're ready to feel the power one more time. This is the second time I got hoodwinked. As we're ready to go over, Tyler Arrington is going to hit the throttle as we got a green flag. We're underway. Tyler Arrington, Ross White back on the outside. Josh Dietz right there to the inside, side by side, door to door. Remember, top 5 will go to the show. Ross White's going to cut the nose off of Josh Dietz in 3 and 4 as Tyler Arrington continues to lead. As Tyler Arrington able to work his way to the bottom side of turn 3 and 4. It'll be Ross White and the number 0, Josh Dietz. Here comes the number 51 of Mr. Roman Jordan Wesley, and Wesley's now being able to work to the inside and make it 3 wide with the 11 machine of Jeff Watson. Tyler Arrington still leads this one off here as you have the number 0 machine of Ross White still holding on down to the backstretch. After that, it's going to be that number 9 machine of Mr. Dietz. As Dietz going to be up on the outside, you'll have the 11 machine. That's going to be Mr. Jeff Watson. As I'm being told, caution flag is on the speedway. Caution flag on the speedway for some wet conditions. So as Tyler Arrington is going to make his way down to the backstretch, and he's going to lead Josh Dietz and Ross White, and it'll be the 51 of Jordan Wesley. Green flag is in the air, and Tyler Arrington will bring him to the strip. Arrington and Dietz with the slide jump of zone in 1 and 2. He'll clear Ross White in number 0 for the second spot. As the 002 continues on at lap number 5, as you got a good battle for that second spot. It's Josh Dietz in the 9 up on the outside. Ross White looking to the inside, not going to get to that left side quarter panel. Dietz going to work to the bottom side. Mr. Ross White back on the outside one more time, but here comes that number 51. Jordan Wesley going to look to the inside. As the 11 of Jeff Watson will be in that final transfer spot. As the battle still continues on, Josh Dietz up on the outside is still Tyler Arrington. White flag in the air this time by, as it'll be Tyler Arrington, Mr. Dietz, Ross White, and Jordan Wesley, as the white flag has now come on board. Tyler Arrington with a good lead throughout the field in that 002. It's going to go to Josh Dietz at the bottom side. Ross White's got a last chance. It's not going to happen. Arrington will get the outside group. Heat race number 2. Josh Dietz in the 9. It'll go to the 0 of Ross White. Jordan Wesley in the 51, and the 11 of Jeff Watson will go to the show.
I don't know how you guys act up north, but we're good, and we're coming to green on heat race number 3.
Alrighty, so the PPM Racing Products heat race number 3, and go figure, it's going to be Trevor Size and number 73 going to lead his way down. You'll have Bailey Lowe in that 727 machine, Steve Stallings. I believe that's Ryan Smith in the 4S, and that'll be your top 4. Green flag is out, and we're underway. Bailey Lowe with a terrible start, and Ryan Smith had to wait on him, and now there goes Steve Stallings on the inside. Ethan Toder at number 23, but here comes a big run from Bailey Lowe. Lowe looks on the inside of Mr. Stallings through 3 and 4, as Trevor Size will lead race up number 1. What a battle for the second and third spot, as Bailey Lowe's going to wash right up to that left side quarter panel of Steve Stallings. Stallings right through the middle of 3 and 4. You got him 2 by 2 out of 4 with Steve Stallings, Bailey Lowe, Ryan Smith, and Ethan Toder. But here comes the number 55 of Colin Watson. He wants to make it into the show. You got a 5-car race for the final trainer spot, as Ryan Smith had to lift down to the backstretch. It's still going to be the 17 of Steve Stallings, still making his way throughout the field, and Trevor Sides is just driving away with this one. Big slider for the 55 of Colin Watson. He'll clear the number 23 at Toder, and Toder will be able to call back in that non-transfer spot. Steve Stallings there for second. Man, I'll tell you, Trevor Sides is absolutely gone, and we're halfway to go for PPM Racing Products heat race number 3. And there's a big right rear being fed by Bailey Lowe to Steve Stallings. Stallings tries to cut it back down, but here comes the 55 of Watson back to the inside. Size is absolutely gone in this one. He is down to the backstretch. You want the 727 machine. That'll be Bailey Lowe. Up on the outside is the 55 machine. Where did Colin Watson come from? As he's going to be able to work to the bottom side, and Watson continues to move up throughout the field. 2 to go should be shown, as we got Trevor Sides and number 73 still out in front. White flag in the Now, Ramirez got a little more horsepower tonight. We'll see if he can do something to maybe get into a show here tonight. He's only got to pass 1 car, I think, or 2. But here we go, as Logan Wall's going to take him off out of 3 and 4. We're underway. Alrighty, as we got him throughout the field, as the number 14 of Logan Wall's going to be able to drive his way to the bottom side. Chris Chandler and the number 5. It'll go to Mr. Chesney. Crane in that number 4 with a beautiful move on the inside. Tries to look on the inside. Slide job. No, he's going to keep it to the bottom side. As Chris Chandler's going to be up there grazing the wall. As there we go. We got one around with Philip Ramirez and company. As they keep it straight. Yellow flag is supposed to be out. Yellow flag is out on the speedway. Joshua Chesney. It'll go to the 4, Chris Wilson, and Philip Ramirez on the outside for the Delaware double file restart. Logan Walls brings them to the field as we are back underway, and Philip Ramirez on the outside. Logan Walls going to be able to rock to the backstretch. You've got Shane Crane. It'll go to Chris Chandler for the 3rd spot. Joshua Chesney in the 5. And it'll go to John Ellison at number 21. As you will have the number 4 of Chris Wilson right there. Philip Ramirez going to bring out the back of the field as you got a great battle for the 3rd and 4th spot. Chandler sending sparks up in the air as John Ellison's in trouble in that number 21 down on the backstretch. As the 14 of Logan Walls continues to lead, a great battle for that 3rd and 4th spot. As the number 5 of Chris Chandler will work to the outside. Meanwhile, it's going to go to Joshua Chesney to the bottom side. Great battle for the 3rd and 4th spot. As the number 4 of Chris Wilson will be in that final transfer spot. Logan Walls continues to drive away with this one. Shane Crane down on the backstretch for 2nd comfortably as here's Chris Chandler and Joshua Chesney. Chesney in that CVR race car number 5. He going to work to the inside. Chandler's in the wall in the front stretch. As here comes the slide job for Chesney. As Chandler's banging the boards one more time. Big cut down on the turn number 2. White flags in the air for the number 14 of Logan Walls. Walls continues to dominate in this one, and he's going to be able to work back to the outside. Meanwhile, it's all Logan Walls. As Walls will be able to get heat race number 4 for the American Racer Tire. 2nd will go to Shane Crane, Joshua Chesney, Chris Chandler, John Ellison, Chris Wilson, and Philip Ramirez will round out the field. Cumberland Plateau Modifieds. You are on deck. I repeat, you are ready to go. And we will give it to the voice of the Cumberland Plateau Modifieds, Bobby Puckett.
Thank you, Peter. Up next for the Cumberland Plateau Open Wheel Modified Series, presented by American Racer Tire South. Heat race number 1, presented